Good morning friends. Previously in revision of chapter number 6 integers, we learned how to represent integers on number line. Then we learned how to perform the comparison of integers. So in that you need to remember that whatever number will be on left side of number line, that is a smaller, and on right side numbers are increasing. If we are comparing two negative integers, then larger number will be smallest one and smallest number. For example, if we have a minus 100 and minus 1, then minus 1 will be greater. If we are comparing one negative, one positive, then positive number will be always greater. So this way we can perform the comparison and also learn how to represent in ascending or descending order. Then we learn addition of integers on number line. In that you need to remember two things. When we add positive integer, move right, and when we add negative integer, move left. Again, when we add positive integer, move right, and when we add negative integer, move left. After that, we learn addition of integers without number line. So, in that you need to remember, if two signs are same, add the number, and when two signs are different, then subtract them. So today we will learn about the subtraction of integers. Before that, we need to understand additive inverse. Now what is additive inverse? If we have minus 3, then additive inverse of minus 3 is plus 3. Why it is additive inverse? Because if we add two numbers plus 3 plus minus 3, then we get 0. If we have a number plus 5, then its additive inverse is minus 5. Why? Because plus 5 plus minus 5 will be 0. So, if you change the sign, then we get the additive inverse. One more thing you need to remember, that if we have this kind of number, like two signs are there, then minus 2 will be plus 2 and plus minus 2 will be minus 2. There is a negative sign, then it is also minus. Two signs are same, then this plus 2 sign will be changed. So this is what additive inverse. So how we can perform the subtraction of integers? Let's take one example. Plus 3 minus. Now here, additive inverse means you need to change this sum. Example, in addition, convert this negative sign into positive by writing additive inverse of, this is the first method, additive inverse of minus 2. As we learned in a fraction, that convert the division into multiplication by writing multiplicative inverse, or you can say reciprocal. For example, let's revise that. If we have 1 by 2, divide 2 by 3. Then 1 by 2, division become multiplication, 2 by 3 become 3 by 2. So same, this is called the multiplicative inverse. Same here we need to perform subtraction into addition by writing additive inverse of minus 2. So what is the additive inverse of minus 2? That is plus 2. Now this is an example of add positive integer. So on number line, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Represent first integer as it is. Now add positive is move right, so from minus 3 move 2 step right, so we get minus 1. So this way we can perform the subtraction of integer on number line. One more example. Minus 4 minus plus 5. Now here minus 4 plus additive inverse of plus 5. So that will be minus 5. Add negative, so move left. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, 1, 2, 3. Now represent minus 4 as it is. 5 step left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We reach to minus. Okay. Instead of this step, you can directly write like this. 1 minus plus 2. So here, two signs are there and both are different. So minus plus minus, it is 1 minus 2. Now here we can write 0 minus 1. Represent 1 and 2 step left side. So here 1 and 2. We reach to minus 1. Okay. You can perform this or you can directly write it. For one more example. Three minus minus 2. So here you can write 3 minus minus plus. 3 plus 2 means move right side. So here draw a number line. Represent 3 and 2 step right side. 5. So that answer will be 1 more. Minus 4 minus plus. So if you perform this method, then you can write minus 4, convert addition into subtraction into addition. Additive inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. Now add negative. So move left. Represent minus 4 and 3 step left side. So that will give minus. Now here I give you some homework that you need to solve on number lines first. So solve this on number line. Now how can we perform the subtraction without number line? So here we will take some simple example first. Same as we learn how to write the addition example into subtraction example into addition by writing the additive inverse. Same we can write here minus 3. Convert this into plus. Additive inverse of plus 3. Additive inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. Now both signs are same. So here minus 3 is minus 6. One more example. 6 plus minus 8. 6 minus minus 8. So here we can write 6 addition. When we write this additive inverse, when there is a negative sign, additive inverse of minus 8. So here we can write 6 plus additive inverse of minus 8 is plus 8. Now 6 plus 6 is positive, this is also positive, so answer will be 40. is a positive. Let's take some more example. -3 minus 2 minus. Now here -3. Negative become positive. Additive inverse of -2 is +2. Negative become positive. Additive inverse of -4 is +4. When we write this, whenever there is a negative sign, convert it into positive by writing the additive inverse of next number. So these two are positive number. So add that. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now one negative, one positive. Subtract the number. So it is 3. Bigger number is 6. So that is +3. Or you can write directly 3. Let's take one more example here. -2. Now here -1. Negative become positive. Additive inverse of -2 is +2. Negative become positive. Additive inverse of +3 is minus. This negative become plus, and 8 that is a positive become negative. Plus. Now combine the negative terms, that is -1 plus -3 plus -8 plus +2 plus 3. So these two are positive, these three are negative. So add the negative numbers. So here -1 minus 3 is -4. -4 minus 8 is -12. Plus 3 plus 2 is +5. Now one negative, one positive, subtract the numbers, so answer is -7. Clear? Next one. Now if this kind of question is given, so here you can also change the sign. 6, negative become positive. 3, that is positive become negative. Minus become plus by writing reciprocal additive inverse of 3, that is -3. Plus 4 plus. Now we change all negative sign into addition by writing the additive inverse of next number. 6 plus 4 minus 3 plus -3 plus -3. So these 3 are negative, these 2 are positive. 10 minus, so it is 9. 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9, so it is -9. Plus 10 minus 9 is 1. Now instead of writing this, you can directly also write without converting into additive inverse. Let's take some example like using that. -3 plus -2. Now if you write this additive inverse, then it is also correct, or you can directly change this sign, in which you need to remember that whenever there are 2 signs before number, change the sign. What you need to remember, whenever 2 signs are there before number, change the sign. So here, when 2 negative it is positive, and 1 negative, 1 positive it is negative. So -3 now before 2, there are 2 signs, plus minus, so it is negative. Plus 6, 2 signs are there, so it is +3 minus 1 positive, 1 negative, so it is -2. Both are negative, so it is +2. Now combine the negative numbers. -3, -2, -4. These 3 are negative. These 3 are positive. So here 3 plus 2 plus 4, that is 9, but negative, and here it is +9. 1 negative, 1 positive, to subtract, so it is 0. Clear? Without writing additive inverse, you can also solve the example. Let's take some more example here. Subtract 61 from -29. Subtract 61 from -29. So here -29 will be first number, -61. Now here you can solve this example by writing this. 29 plus additive inverse of minus 61 is minus 61. Now both are negative, so add the number 9, but negative. Or you can directly write minus 29 minus 61. Both are negative, so add the number, it is minus 9. You can convert it first into additive inverse, or you can directly write that both are negative, so add the number, so that is 90, and bigger number is 61, that is negative, so it is minus 90. Clear? Let's take one more example. Subtract minus 100 from 201. Means from 201, subtract minus 100. Now here two signs are there. Subtraction sign is this one, minus 100 is there. So minus minus plus 100. Or you can say here 201 minus become plus, additive inverse of 100 is plus 100. Then it is same. So 100 plus 201 is 300. So this way you can solve the example without number line of subtraction. Now let's take some more extra examples. So here first minus 17 minus 30. So here we can change the sign. Two signs are negative. So here you can write that plus, additive inverse of minus 13 is plus 13, or you can directly write minus plus. One negative, one positive, subtract the numbers. 17 minus 13 is 4, but it is negative. Next, minus 7 minus 8 minus 25. So again we can write minus 7 minus 8 minus plus 25. Minus 7 minus 18 is minus 15 plus 25. One negative, one positive, so it is 10. But plus because 25 is a greater. Again, let's take next example. 50 minus plus 48 minus plus 2 minus 110. So these three are positive and this one is negative. 50 plus 48 plus 2 is 100 minus 110. 100 minus 110. One positive, one negative, subtract the number 10. Which one is bigger? 110. Sign of 110 is negative, so answer is minus 10. Next one, minus 12 plus minus. If two signs are same, it is positive. If two are different, then it is negative. 98 minus plus 84 plus minus 7. Now combine the negative terms. So these three are negative. Minus 7, 12 minus 98 minus 7 plus 84. Now add these three numbers. So here we get 170 minus plus 80. So one negative, one positive, subtract the number 3. 33, but it is negative. So minus 33 will be your answer. Next one, fifth one is minus 12 minus. Now here bracket is given. So first we will solve this bracket. Whenever bracket is given, solve the number that are inside the bracket. Minus 15 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. So all are negative. So you can write 15 plus 2 plus 3, that is 20, but negative. Now both are negative, so we can write minus 12 plus 20, so 8. Minus plus, so it is plus 20. Minus 12 plus 20 is plus 8. Next one is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8 plus 9. Now here you can see the numbers at the even place are negative and numbers at the odd place are positive. So here we can write from 1 to 20 we need to write all positive number. 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus, now all negative numbers, so it is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 14, minus 16, minus 18, minus 20. Now add this all numbers, so 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16 plus 9, 36. Now it is 20. This one is 30. 15 plus 19 is 34. 0. 100. So here sum of first odd number is 100 plus 6, 12 plus 8, 20, 30, 42, 42 plus 30 plus 18 plus 20. So here we get, again we get 100 here. It is 110 but negative. So answer is minus. One positive, one negative. So answer is minus. Now next one, 2 plus minus 2 plus 2 plus minus 2 plus 2, 149. It means half numbers are positive, half numbers are negative. 2 plus minus 2 plus 2 plus minus 2 plus 2. Okay, so here we can write plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 70 times. And remaining 70 numbers are negative. Minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2, 70 times. So what will be the sum of 70 times 2? If 2 times 2 will be 4, 2 times 3 will be 6, 2 times 4 will be 8, same 2 times 70 times 2 will be 140. That is positive. And this will be negative. So answer will be C. Next one, minus 1 plus minus 304 plus 304 plus 304 plus minus 304 plus 1. Let's change the sign. Minus 1 plus minus minus 304 plus 304 plus 304 minus 304 plus. Now if the numbers are same and sign are different, numbers are 304 but this is positive, this is negative. So that gives answer 0. So this is 0. One positive, one negative. Numbers are same. So this is 0. And minus 1 plus 1 is also 0. So answer of this question is 0. Now here some examples are given that you need to solve it.